I'm going to do a unicorn ponytail by Barbie. So the video said to like separate a section of my hair to be the horn. I don't even have anything to hold it back with. So I guess we're just gonna do that beautiful. Oh my gosh. So, apparently I'm supposed to like make a high ponytail. And like, well, 2 ponytails, I guess. I don't know. I'm doing this off of memory. Like, it's supposed to be like one section's bigger than the other. That's really hot. Okay. When your hair is layered. Okay. Okay. Then I gotta take a bobby pin. Apparently I'm supposed to like wrap my strand of hair, oh god, I think I got too much, around the thing for whatever reason, because I guess that's how you unicorn. Oh my lord. Barbie makes everything look so easy. It's ridiculous. I hope she does a tutorial on like how to do Johnny Bravo hair, because that would be just beautiful. Beautiful. I think I did that right. Oh, wait. No, I did not. Okay, well, whatever. I'm trying. Just, oh, and I lost the bobby pin. Okay, hold up. Just started and I just can't even. How do you Barbie though? Like, she has so many careers, like, how many years of college do you think Barbie went to do all of her careers? Because like, one of them is like a doctor, and like, that takes like many years of college and stuff, so I don't know how she does it. Well, I can't see it, but I think that's good enough. So you're supposed to like take a cardstock to make the horn, which is what this is going to be used for, which I don't know how I'm going to manage. I don't got cardstock, but I got an old, well, it was supposed to be a birthday card, but who needs birthday cards? This is way more important. Does that look like a horn so far? No, it does not. Oh my lord. Okay, well, see, like in the video, it's like really weird because like it coils around, but then it covers the paper perfectly. I don't understand like how that works. You're supposed to like put it like this and then wrap your hair around. I don't think I got enough hair for that, but I mean, we'll try. I'm gonna skip back so you can actually see. I mean, I can't, but I'm relying on my camera as a mirror. Oh my lord.
If I'm not magical by the end of this, I'm suing Barbie.
As you can see, I look very magical so far. This was always meant to be. Okay.
When you try your best, but you don't succeed.
What am I doing wrong? I don't know. Just leave it like this, yeah. Forget being a mythical creature. Although I'm curious, would anybody actually genuinely do this as like a legit hairstyle where you go out to Walmart and shop? I'm just curious who would actually do this. Like, you're putting paper in your hair, and do you think my mom would be proud? I look like I can't say that. This is a look. It's not a good look, but it's a look. What if, like, I was asked out to prom, like, hypothetically, because, I mean, who would ask me to prom, but, like, what if, like, a guy asked me to prom, and, like, they're like, oh, yeah, I know she's gonna be beautiful. I'm like, oh, yeah, don't worry, I'll be beautiful, all right. And then they open the door, like, hey, honey, oh, and then you just see this. I could just imagine editing on this video, making this look way worse than it is. Although, honestly, I don't think this needs editing to make me look stupid, because, I mean, do you not see? Emma, go away. Sissy's trying to make herself look majestic and failing miserably. I can't even do my sister's hair. Oh my god. I'm really trying hard. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Did I like... Oh, thank you, Emma. My sister's giving me encouragement. Okay. I guess I really do have to be blind. Well, I mean, I watched somebody else do this, and that's why I decided to do it, because one of my friends encouraged me to try to watch me suffer. But, like, how did... I just... I'm gonna have to work with this. Alright, if this doesn't work, I'm gonna, like, just die. And this is why you need, like, more than one bobby pin. Honestly, I just look like my boyfriend dumped me, which he probably will after he sees this video. Oh my lord, I'm actually getting somewhere. Hold up. If this doesn't, like, end up working, I'm gonna, like, be depressed forever, and, like, I'm just, like, never gonna do anything ever again. My friend owes me big time for causing me this pain and misery. I'm gonna be surprised if I had to use up all of these. This isn't even funny. I'm gonna be... Ow! Ow. If my friend isn't even entertained, I'm gonna be very disappointed. Hey, Emma. Please don't bug Sissy. She's trying to, you know, not suck at something for once in her life. Oh, don't kiss me there. Oh, thank you. Sissy needs positive encouragement right now because she feels like an absolute failure. Okay, and I think I did it. Do I look majestic? No, what do you think? Do you think I did good?
Huh?
Do you like my hair?
Yeah.
Are you just saying that to make me feel better? So, this is a look. I don't think it was the look I was going for, but it's a look. I think, like, Barbie's the unicorn that, like, everybody loves, and, like, they're like, oh my gosh, she's so majestic, and, like, I'm that unicorn that's like... I think they kicked me out because, I don't know. I have no words. I tried to be funny, but I'm actually kind of depressed. The best thing about it is the fact that I was even able to manage to do something. I'm gonna try to attempt to take it out. Oh my lord, too many bobby pins. Oh god, I don't even know where they are. See, this is why I don't use bobby pins. That's my soul right now. Hey, Emma.
Hey, mine now.
Yeah. Oh no, where's the other bobby pin? There's a bobby pin back here. Oh gosh, oh what's happening? Something, yeah, I know, whoa. Something interesting's happening. Ow. Even my own sister's laughing at my failure. So, what do I think about this hairstyle? It's BS. Yeah, it's BS. Literally, I don't know. Like, oh my god, I broke my bobby pin. Like, I don't know, I fixed it, but like it was like this or something, I don't know. Yeah, I did it again. Look, it's like broken. No, I mean, I'm trying to record a very popular video that nobody's gonna watch. You can't be in the frame right now. So yeah, this hairstyle. Oh my god, I wrecked all my bobby pins. This is horrible. Barbie, let's just be real here. Y'all are fake. Like, with all them careers that you probably just ordered an online certificate for, like, girl. Please just stick with a normal ponytail. Like, don't do this. This is like a waste of time. I used up a perfectly good, not really good, old birthday card that my friend could have used. I don't even know who it was for. So, how would I rate this experience? Maybe like yeah, that's adequate.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, that was horrible.
Hey, Mona.